Hello everyone, I'm Renuka Negi from Ajay Astro Money Guru, first Astro Finance digital channel, which is first global multi-language channel. I welcome you all here on 18 December 2021. Today we shall be discussing about agro-commodities, which is dalhan, like urad, chana, rajma, tur, moong, etc. And I will be giving you updates about it all. Let's talk about urad. Burma Urad weak at Chennai Mumbai domestic variety mixed. Burma Urad at Chennai Mumbai settled weak by rupees 50 by 100 kg on Friday amid thin mill purchase and regular supplies from overseas. Buying at higher rates was less due to liquidity crunch and slow offtake in processed urad. Crop loss concern likely to support prices at lower rates. Meanwhile, arrivals of urad witnessed at Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Arrivals of new urad likely to begin at Andhra Pradesh from current month and January. Similarly, domestic variety urad remained weak. As per quality, at Latur, Bidar, Bareilly, Ganj Basoda, Indore, Mandsaur, Guntur and Vijayawada market on slack buying. On other hand, domestic variety urad traded higher as per quality at Bashi, Washim, Neemach, Verawal, Kekri on local and outstation mills buying activity. In the overseas markets, urad FAC SQ priced unchanged at $815 and $915 per ton on a CNF basis in Burma. Meanwhile, buyers from India were sidelined as free import policy for Tur Urad deadline is still bill of landing date of December 31st and arrival before January 31st, 2022. Arrivals of new Urad Tur, Munga, Rajma began at Burma local market. Sellers were active for new Urad crop 2022 in ready delivery against direct vessels on 25th December loading. New urad crop is around 4 lakh tons, carrying over stock approximately 1 lakh ton. Already, direct container and break bull vessels carrying urad regularly depart from Yangon for Chennai. Also requesting our viewers, if you like our channel, please like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated and to know more about new updates. So next I shall be discussing about Tur. Domestic Tur extend rise in selective market. Matwara Tur weak at Mumbai. Domestic Tur extended rise by rupees 50 to 150 by 100 kg as per quality on Friday in selected markets amid improved millers trade activities despite regular import from overseas arrivals of new Tur at few markets. Arrivals pressure of new Tur still below expectation till date as harvest of new Tur crop to be delayed due to recent rain and cloudy weathers at producing belt quality contain moisture. Crop loss concern likely to support prices. Traders expect new crop arrivals pressure from January month. Meanwhile, trade activity in old Tur reported good in domestic markets. On other hand, two lemon variety of Burma origin new priced flat at rupees 6,000 per 100 kg at Mumbai due to thin participation from millers. Tanzania origin Matwara variety Tur ruled weak by rupees 5200 to 5250 by 100 kg, while Tanzania origin Arusha variety Tur remained unchanged at rupees 5250 to 5350 by 100 kg. Malawi Tur also stayed steady at rupees 4750 to 4850. Sudan Tur also remained flat at rupees 6100 to 6200. Mozambique origin Gajri variety remained steady at rupees 5250 to 5300. The crop loss likely to be as 20 to 40% in Andhra Pradesh this year. Tur crop has been damaged by 10 to 15% in Maharashtra. Total output likely to be lower by 20%. Also, tur dal purchased tender by government agencies likely to support prices. Also, tur dal purchased tender by government agencies likely to support prices. In the overseas markets, Tour lemon Linke varieties priced unchanged at $735 per ton on a CNF basis in Burma. Meanwhile, buyers from India were sidelined as free import policy for Tur Urad deadline is still bill of landing date of December 31st and arrival before January 31st, 2022. Arrivals of new Tur began at Burma local market. New Tur crop is around 2 to 2.5 lakh tons, carrying over approximately 30,000 to 40,000 ton. So that's all for today's news. Also, viewers, you can also watch other videos on agro commodities, stock markets, bullion gold, agro genes, non-agro commodities to know more about it. Thank you for watching. Kindly press the bell icon to stay updated and to know more about it.